Dear students, Namaskaram and welcome to my video. In this video, I would like to explain Avyayas. That is, in the grammar section Anuprayukta Vyakaranam, there is a question Ujidehi Avyapadehi Riktasthanani Pureda. Fill in the blanks with the suitable Avyaya words. So in your syllabus, what all are Avyayas are there to study these avyayas and their meaning and how the sentences are coming based on these avyayas, that I would like to explain in this video. The word and its meaning and example also. Idanim. First word is idanim. Idanim meaning now. Idanim vishadam tyaktva udyamaha kriyadam. Now leaving sadness, do hard work. Te idanim lekham likhantu. Let them write letter now. Idanim vartaha sruyandam. Listen to news now. Okay. So idanim is the word which means now. Next word pura. Pura means in olden time. Pura Dasharatho Nama Raja Asid. In olden time there was a king by name Dasharatha. Pura Samskritam Jana Samanya Bhasha Asid. In olden time Sanskrit was a common language. Next word Noonam. Noonam meaning surely. Yeshaha Kalahaha Noonam Bhavadam Vinashakaranam Bhavishyati. The quarrel of them will become the reason of your destruction surely. Noonam te danaviraha saubhagyashalinaha. Surely those charitable people are lucky people. Next word adhuna. The word adhuna also means now. Adhuna vrishtihi bhavadi. It is raining now. Adhuna janaha anushasidaha nasandi. Now people are not disciplined. Okay, adhuna meaning now. Next word samprati. The samprati is also having the same meaning now. Pradak kalaha samjadaha samprati nidra na yujyate. Daytime has come. It is not good to sleep now. Chhatraha samprati vidyalayam gachanti. Now children are going to school. Next word is sampratam. Sampratam also means now. So, what all are words we have studied with the same meaning now? Idanim, adhuna, samprati, sampratam. Sampratam aham padidam ichhami. Now I like to study. Okay, so these are the words. Once again, idanim, adhuna, samprati, sampratam. These four words are having same meaning now. Next one, yatha. Yatha means in which way. So you remember one thing. When yatha comes in a sentence, tatha will follow. Yatha tatha. In which way? That way. Yatha karma tatha phalam. In which way the work, that way the result. Yatha raja tatha praja. In which way the king, that way the people. Yatha acharyaha vadadi tadha shishyaha karodi. In which way the teacher says, in that way the student follows. Okay. Yatha tadha. Next word idastadaha. Idastadaha meaning here and there. Ashwaha pranatranaya idastadaha adhavan. The horses ran here and there for protecting their life. Bhavan padhan idastadaha ma pashyadu. While studying, you should not look here and there. Okay? Idastadaha meaning here and there. Vina. Next word is vina. Vina meaning without. Jalam vina jeevanam nasti. Without water, there is no life. Vidyam vina jeevanam vridha. Without knowledge, life is useless. Vina meaning without. Next word atra. Atra meaning here. Atra noonam vrishtihi bhavishyati. Surely here rain will be there. Atra vrishasya chayaya prarthana bhavati. Here under the shade of the tree there is prayer. Atra meaning here. Then yatra. Yatra means where. So you remember one thing, where there is yatra, tatra will follow. Yatra tatra, where there. Yatra vrishaha tatra gagaha. Where there are trees, there birds. There will be birds. Yatra krishna meghaha tatra vrishtihi. Where there are dark clouds, there is rain. Yatra mama griham asti tatreva saha vasadi. Where there is my house, there only he is living. Now next word sarvatra. Sarvatra meaning everywhere. Ishwaraha sarvatra vartate. God is there everywhere. Ubhavane sarvatra haridima drishyate. In the garden everywhere greenery is seen. Then next word kutra. Kutra meaning where. Baligaha kutra brahmanartham gachanti. For picnic. Where are the girls going? Kutra, where. Bhavataha griham kutra asti. Where is your house? Kutra means where. Uchchaihi, loudly. Kubida sa uchchaihi vadati. She is talking loudly because she is angry. Devale bhaktaha uchchaihi bhajanam gayanti. In the temple, devotees are singing prayers loudly. Saha sarvam vrtanta nivedya sakarunam uchchaihi akrantat. After informing the whole story, he cried loudly. Uchchaihi, loudly. Vritha. Vritha means unnecessarily. Dhanasya vritha prayogam ma kuru. Don't spend money unnecessarily. Vritha triptasya bhojanam. Triptasya bhojanam vritha. Triptasya means one who has already satisfied, one who has taken food. Again giving food to him is in vain, no use at all, unnecessarily. Vritha ma vada. Don't speak unnecessarily. Vritha vrishtihi samudreshu. The rain in ocean is unnecessarily, no use at all. Okay. Next word bahihi. Bahihi meaning outside. Gramad bahihi devalaya asti. Here you should remember one thing. When we use the word bahihi, there should be panchami vibhakti. Gramad bahihi devalaya asti. Outside the village there is a temple. Padidad kalashad bahihi nirgatya vishadaraha dushta buddhim dashtavan. Vishadara was bitten by the snake which has come out from the pot, from the fallen pot. Come out. Bahihi, outside, out. Next, hyaha. Hyaha meaning yesterday. Hyaha somavasaraha asid. Yesterday it was Monday. Aham hyaha rugnaha asam. I was not well yesterday. Hyaha tvam kutra asihi. Where were you yesterday? Okay, hyaha meaning yesterday. Shwaha, tomorrow. Shwaha revivasaraha bhavishyati. Tomorrow it will be Sunday. Kim tam shwaha Varanasim gamishasi. Are you going to Varanasi tomorrow? Okay, shwaha means tomorrow. Adya meaning today. Adya shanivasaraha asti. Today it is Saturday. Aham adya eva agacham. Today only I have come. Adya meaning today. Kada. Next word is kada. Kada, when. Ramaha kada agamishyati. When will Rama come? Suryagrahanam kada bhavishati? When will be the solar eclipse? Chhatraha kada vidyalayad agachati? When the student comes from the school. Next word ma meaning do not. Kachayam shabdam ma kuru, don't make sound in the class. Asya yancha vridha ma astu, his begging may not be in vain. Ma means do not. Yavad tavad, yavad till when, tavad till then. Yavad till when, tavad till then. Yavad lada agachati, tavad tvam tishta. When, till when lada comes, till then you wait. Yavad aham padami, tavad tvam likha. Till when I am studying, till then you write. Idi meaning thus. Payaha dadadi idi payodaha. Payaha dadadi idi payodaha. Payodaha means cloud. One who gives water is payoda. Thus is the meaning. Jale jayade idi jalajam. One who originates in water is jalajam, lotus. Saha avadade tum abhi griham gacha idi. He told you also go home. So idi meaning thus. Kimartam, next word is kimartam. Kimartam meaning for what purpose. Tum kimartam hasasi, why are you laughing? Bhavan adhuna kimartam atra agachadi, why are you coming here? For what purpose you are coming here? Next word is eva. Eva meaning only. Vidvamsa eva chashushmandaha idi pragirtidaha. The scholars are being explained as people having eyes. Scholars only. Eva means only. Satyameva jayade, truth only wins. Yuyam sarve eva mama priyaha. You all are very dear. You all are only very dear to me. Eva means only. Sahasa, quickly. Sahasa kadabi karyam na karaniyam. Never do the work quickly. Sahasa vidadita nakriyam. Same meaning only. Don't do the work quickly. Sahasa. Next word kudaha. Kudaha means from where. Mayuram vina upavanasya shobha kudaha. From where there is beauty to the garden if there is no peacock. Alasasya kudaha vidya. From where there is knowledge to a lazy person. Alasasya kudaha vidya. Kudaha means from where. Abhi. Next word is abhi. Abhi means also. Manushyaha anichannapi pabam karodi. A man is doing sin even if he doesn't want to do. Abhi. Aham abhi toya saha agamishami. I also will come with you. Abhi. Next word is iva. Iva means like. Aham tasya nigraham vayoho iva dushkaram manye. I consider the control of mind is very difficult like the control of wind. Iva means like. Aham sidale jale sthita pratnaha iva tishtami. I am standing in the cold water like a yogi. Iva means like. Shanehi, slowly. Vriddaha shanehi gachati. An old man walks slowly. Shishuhu shanehi ghadati. A baby eats slowly. Next word is kadabi. Kadabi means never. Aham kadabi asatyam na vadishyami. I will never speak lie. Aham kadabi videsham na agacham. I never have gone to foreign country.